The Lamborghini Diablo, 1990 to 2001. When the Lamborghini Diablo was developed and introduced in the early 1990s, the company was owned by Chrysler Corporation. Chrysler acquired Lamborghini in 1987 and owned it until 1994. The bosses at Lamborghini had wished for a maximum speed of at least 320 kilometers an hour, around 200 miles per hour, and the engineers made this wish come true with a top speed of 325 kilometers per hour and acceleration of 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. The Diablo claimed the pole position in the super sports car segment. This new supercar was wide, low, and futuristic, and just like its predecessors, it soon became a favorite among car enthusiasts around the world. The Diablo was produced between 1990 and 2001. During this period, Lamborghini introduced several variations of the Diablo concept, which contributed to building Lamborghini's legend and were extremely successful in terms of sales, with almost 3,000 units sold across the world. With its menacing stance and unmistakable silhouette, the Diablo captivated enthusiasts around the world, pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering with each iteration. Underneath its striking exterior lies a heart of pure performance, a mid-mounted V12 engine delivering raw power and spine-tingling acceleration, propelling the Diablo to dizzying speeds. But Diablo isn't just about straight-line speed. Its precise handling and exhilarating driving dynamics make every twist and turn an unforgettable experience, turning heads and igniting imaginations wherever it goes. From its inception to its final production year, the Lamborghini Diablo remains an enduring symbol of automotive excellence, a true icon of speed, style, and unrivaled passion. Here's a quote from Marcello Gandini, the designer behind the Lamborghini Diablo. "The Diablo was a car born from passion, a bold expression of automotive artistry and engineering. Its design aimed to evoke emotion and excitement, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in a supercar." Gandini's vision truly shines through in every curve and contour of the Diablo. Here's a quote from Car and Driver magazine. "The Diablo is not just a car, it's an experience. With its thunderous V12 engine, razor-sharp handling, and iconic design, the Diablo delivers an adrenaline rush like no other. It's a masterpiece of Italian engineering that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world." The Lamborghini Diablo was designed by Marcello Gandini, an Italian automotive designer born on August 26, 1938, in Turin, Italy. Gandini is renowned for his work with several iconic automotive brands, including Lamborghini, Alfa Romeo, and Lancia. He began his career at Bertoni, an Italian house where he quickly rose to prominence with his innovative and avant-garde designs. Gandini's most notable works include the Lamborghini Miura, Countach, and of course, the Diablo. His designs are characterized by sharp angles, dramatic lines, and futuristic styling elements, which helped redefine the aesthetics of supercars during the 1960s, 1970s, and beyond. His collaboration with Lamborghini yielded some of the most iconic and influential cars in automotive history, cementing his status as one of the industry's most visionary designers. Beyond his contributions to automotive design, Gandini's influence extends to other realms of industrial design, including furniture and product design. His ability to blend form and function, coupled with his uncompromising vision, has left an indelible mark on the world of design. Today, Marcello Gandini's work continues to be celebrated and revered by automotive enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. With his design fetching top dollar at auctions and museums, his legacy as a pioneer of automotive design lives on, inspiring generations of designers to push the boundaries of creativity and innovation in pursuit of automotive excellence. With its formidable powertrain and advanced aerodynamics, the Lamborghini Diablo was capable of mind-bending performance figures, including a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 mile per hour sprint in under 4 seconds. Beyond straight-line speed, the Diablo's razor-sharp handling and precise steering made it a joy to drive on both road and track, earning accolades for enthusiasts and critics alike. Whether tearing down the Autobahn or carving through mountain passes, the Diablo offered an unmatched driving experience that left a lasting impression on all who dared to unleash its full potential. Throughout the 1990s, the Lamborghini Diablo became a cultural icon, appearing in films, music videos, and video games, solidifying its status as a symbol of wealth, power, and access. Its distinctive design and unmistakable exhaust note made it an instant favorite among automotive enthusiasts, while its presence on the silver screen and in popular media cemented its place in popular culture as an epitome of automotive extravagance. Following its debut, the Lamborghini Diablo spawned numerous variants and special editions, each pushing the boundaries of performance and exclusivity even further. Its impact on the supercar market reverberated well beyond the 1990s, influencing design and engineering of future Lamborghini models and shaping the trajectory of the entire automotive industry. Today, the Diablo remains a sought-after collector's car, revered for its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and enduring legacy. The Lamborghini Diablo stands as a testament to the audacity and ambition of the 1990s, a decade defined by innovation, excess, and cultural upheaval. From its striking design to its blistering performance, the Diablo captured the imagination of a generation. The Lamborghini Diablo is a high-performance, mid-engine sports car built by Italian automotive manufacturer Lamborghini between 1990 and 2001. It is the first production Lamborghini capable of attaining a top speed excess of 200 miles per hour. After the end of its production run in 2001, the Diablo was replaced by the Lamborghini Murciélago. The name Diablo means devil in Spanish. The predecessor was the Lamborghini Countach, and the successor was the Lamborghini Murciélago. The Lamborghini P132 prototype, designed by Marcello Gandini at a time when the company was financed by the Swiss-based brothers Jean-Claude and Patrick Mimram, Lamborghini began development of what was codenamed Project 132 in June 1985 as a replacement for the Countach, Lamborghini's then flagship sports car. The brief stated that the top speed of the new car had to be at least 315 kilometers per hour, or 196 miles per hour. The design for the car was contracted to Marcello Gandini, who had designed its two predecessors. When the Chrysler Corporation bought the company in 1987, its management was displeased with Gandini's designs and commissioned its design team in Detroit to execute a third extensive redesign, smoothing out the infamous sharp edges and corners of Gandini's original design and leaving him famously unimpressed. In fact, Gandini was so disappointed with the softened shape that he would later realize his original design in the Zeta Moroder V16T. The new car was named Diablo, carrying on Lamborghini's tradition of naming its cars after breeds of fighting bulls. The Lamborghini was named after a ferocious bull raised by the Duke of Veragua in the 19th century, famous for fighting an epic battle with El Chicora in Madrid on July 11, 1869. The development is believed to have cost a total of 6 billion lire. In 1987, with the exchange rate at the time, would be equivalent to around 4.6 million US dollar. The Diablo was presented to the public for sale on 21st January 1990. Its power came from a 5.7-litre, 348 cubic inch dual overhead cam 4 valves per cylinder version of the existing V12 engine and computer-controlled multi-point fuel injection, producing a maximum output of 485 horsepower to reach a top speed of 325 km per hour or 202 miles per hour. The Diablo was rear-wheel drive and the engine was mid-mounted to aid its weight balance. The Diablo came better equipped than the Countach. Standard features included fully adjustable seats and steering wheel, electric windows, an Alpine stereo system, and power steering from 1993 onwards. A few options were available, including a custom-molded driver's seat, remote CD changer and subwoofer, rear spoiler, factory-fitted luggage set, priced at $2,600, an exclusive clock for the dash, priced at $10,500. In 1992, Lamborghini Diablo Roadster concept, a car from which many design features were carried out, to Lamborghini Diablo VT and VT Roadster. Introduced at the 1992 Geneva Motor Show, the Diablo Roadster concept showcased what a possible open-top version of the car would look like. The roof was removed and the car had a shortened visor in place of the windshield. The chassis was strengthened in order to compensate for the loss of the roof, and the car featured many unique components, some of which made their way to the later variants of the Diablo. Such components included larger intakes near the rear wing, roll bars over the seats, unique wheels in body color of the car, and a unique engine cover, which included a tunnel in the middle for better airflow over the rear view mirror. The signature scissor doors were retained despite the loss of a roof, and the interior became more ergonomic and featured a unique two-tone beige color. The concept generated a positive response among the public and demand among customers for such a car. As the car was not intended for production, German tuner Koenig Specials, with Lamborghini's permission, converted customer cars into replicas of the concept. The cars featured different front and rear bumpers, along with wheels than that of the concept due to copyright issues, along with an upgraded engine. The conversion was no longer offered upon the request of Lamborghini, as the company introduced the Diablo VT Roadster in 1995. Lamborghini Diablo VT. The Diablo VT was introduced in 1993. Although the VT differed from the standard Diablo in a number of ways, by far the most notable change was the addition of all-wheel drive, which made use of the vicious center differentials, a modified version of LM002's four-wheel drive system. This provided the new nomenclature for the car. VT stands for vicious traction. The new drivetrain could direct up to 25% of the torque to the front wheels to aid traction during rear wheel slip, thus significantly improving the handling characteristics of the car. Debuting on the VT included a front air intakes below the driving lamps to improve brake cooling, larger intakes in the rear arches, a more ergonomic interior, and revised electronic adjustable dampeners, 4-piston brake calipers, power steering, and minor engine refinements. Many of these improvements, save for the 4-wheel drive system, filtered down to the base Diablo, making the cars nearly identically visually. Diablo SE30, Lamborghini Diablo SE30 Yolta. The Diablo SE30 was introduced in 1993 as a limited production special model to commemorate the company's 30th anniversary. The car was designed largely as a street-legal race vehicle that was lighter and more powerful than the standard Diablo. The engine received a boost 523 horsepower by means of a tuned fuel system, free-flowing exhaust, and magnesium intake manifolds. Acceleration, test by Hot Rod Magazine, 0 to 30 miles per hour in 1.8 seconds, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds, 0 to 80 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds, and 0 to 100 miles per hour in 7 seconds. The Lamborghini Diablo emerged in the early 1990s. As the automotive world entered the new decade, the Diablo epitomized the boldness and extravagance of the era. Setting a new standard for supercars with its groundbreaking design and blistering performance against the backdrop of the 1990s, characterized by technological advancements and cultural shifts. Diablo stood out as a symbol of automotive innovation and aspiration. Designed by Marcello Gandini, the Diablo exuded a menacing presence with its sharp angles, low-slung profile, and iconic scissor doors. Underneath its striking exterior, the Diablo boasted cutting-edge engineering, featuring an aluminium space frame chassis, carbon fiber body panels, and a mid-mounted V12 engine delivering upwards of 500 horsepower. These technological marvels combined to create a driving experience that was exhilarating as it was awe-inspiring, solidifying the Diablo's reputation as a true supercar icon. As we reflect on this legacy, one thing is clear: the Lamborghini Diablo will forever hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors, a true icon of its time and a symbol of automotive excellence for generations to come.